Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Charset conversion in wxwidgets, a comprehensive guide with forum context. This tutorial will delve into the intricacies of charset conversion within the wxwidgets framework. We'll cover the fundamental concepts, potential problems, common use cases, and provide practical code examples. We'll also frame this discussion in the context of a typical wxwidgets discussion forum, addressing common questions and challenges users might face. Why is charset conversion important? Character encoding, charset, is the way computers represent text as a sequence of bytes. Different encodings exist, each mapping characters to different byte sequences. Common encodings include *ASCII *, a simple 7-bit encoding for basic English characters. Limited and cannot represent many international characters. *Latin 1, ISO 8859-1, an 8-bit encoding that extends ASCII with characters from Western European languages. *UTF-8 *, a variable length Unicode encoding that can represent virtually all characters from all languages. It's widely used on the Internet and modern systems. *UTF-16 *, another variable length Unicode encoding, often used internally by Windows. Windows 1252 *, an 8-bit encoding similar to Latin 1, but with some differences in the extended character set. If your application interacts with data using different encodings, you'll need to perform charset conversion to ensure that text is displayed and processed correctly. Failing to do so can result in garbled characters, data loss, and application crashes. Common scenarios in wxwidgets. In a wxwidgets application, charset conversion is often necessary in the following scenarios. Reading data from files. The file may be encoded in a specific charset, example UTF-8, Latin 1. You need to convert it to the encoding used by wxwidgets, usually Unicode. Writing data to files. You may need to convert wxwidgets Unicode strings to a specific encoding before saving them to a file. Communicating with external libraries or APIs. Some libraries might expect data in a particular encoding. Handling user input. User input from a text control or dialog box might be encoded differently depending on the user's locale or system settings. Displaying text. Fonts and display systems might require a specific encoding for proper rendering. The wxwidgets string classes and encodings. wxwidgets primarily uses Unicode strings, specifically represented by the wxString class. Internally, wxString uses either UTF-16, on Windows, or UTF-32, on other platforms like Linux and Mac OS. This simplifies handling international characters within your application logic. However, it also means that interaction with non-Unicode data requires careful conversion. The wxconv class hierarchy. wxwidgets provides a flexible mechanism for charset conversion through the wxconv class hierarchy. This hierarchy offers classes for various encodings and provides methods for converting between them and Unicode, wxString. Here are some key classes. wxconv local *, the local encoding. This usually refers to the system's default encoding, determined by the locale settings. wxconv UTF-8 handles UTF-8 encoding. wxconv UTF-16 handles UTF-16 encoding. wxconv ISO 8859_1 handles ISO 8859-1, Latin 1, encoding. wxconv Win 1252 handles Windows 1252 encoding. wxconv libc * uses the C libraries mstokes and hooksTums functions for conversion. wxcsconv * a more general class that can handle a wider range of encodings identified by their names. Common forum questions and solutions. Let's consider some typical questions that might arise in a wxwidgets discussion forum regarding charset conversion, along with their solutions. 1. My application is displaying garbled characters when reading from a file. What am I doing wrong? Possible causes ****. The file is encoded in a different charset than what you're assuming, example the file is UTF-8, but you're treating it as Latin 1. * You're not performing any charset conversion at all. * The font you're using doesn't support the characters in the file. Solution ***. Identify the files encoding ** use a text editor with encoding detection capabilities, example Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, to determine the file's charset. * Perform charset conversion * use the appropriate wxconv object to convert the data to Unicode, wx string. See the code examples below. * use a suitable font * ensure the font used by your wxwidgets control, example wx static text, wx text control, supports the characters you're trying to display. You might need to specify a font explicitly with wx font. 2. How do I convert a UTF-8 string from a web API into a wx string? Solution * 3. How do I save a wx string to a file in UTF-8 encoding? Solution * 4. I'm using wxconv local, but my application still doesn't display characters correctly on different systems. Possible causes ***. The local encoding varies across different operating systems and locales. Relying on wxconv local can lead to inconsistent behavior. * The user's locale settings are not configured correctly. Solution ***. Avoid relying on wxconv local if possible. Explicitly specify the encoding whenever you can. UTF-8 is generally the preferred encoding for cross-platform compatibility. * Consider using wx locale to manage locale settings. * You can use wx locale to set the application's locale explicitly, but this might require careful handling to ensure it doesn't interfere with the user's preferred system settings. Be mindful of the impact on other parts of your application. * Use the user's preferred encoding. Advanced you could attempt to detect the user's system encoding and use that. However, this is generally discouraged because it can introduce complexity and potential compatibility issues. It is usually best to stick to UTF-8 as the standard encoding. 5. How do I convert from Windows 12.52 to UTF-8? 6. I'm getting compiler errors or warnings related to charset conversion, example implicit conversion from char * to wx string. Causes * you're trying to directly assign a char * or std string to a wx string without specifying the encoding. * You're not using the correct constructor or assignment operator for wx string when dealing with non-Unicode data. Solution ***. Always specify the encoding when converting from char or std string to wx string. ***. Use the wx string constructor that takes a char * or std string and a wxconv object. Use wxmbconv. wxmbconv is the base class for charset conversions in wxwidgets. The more specific wxconv UTF-8, etc. derive from it. Use it when you need a generic conversion object. General best practices. Use UTF-8 whenever possible. UTF-8 is the most versatile and widely supported encoding. It should be your default choice for storing and exchanging text data. Be explicit about encodings. Avoid relying on default encodings. Always specify the charset explicitly when reading from files, writing to files, or communicating with external systems. Handle errors. Charset conversion can fail if the input data is invalid or if the target encoding cannot represent certain characters. Check the return values of conversion functions and handle errors gracefully. For example, wxconv returns -1 on failure. Document your encoding assumptions. Clearly document the encodings used by your application and any external systems it interacts with. This will make it easier to debug and maintain your code in the future. Use a good text editor. A good text editor can help you identify the encoding of a file and convert between different encodings. Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code are all excellent choices. Test thoroughly. Test your application with different character sets and locales to ensure that it handles international characters correctly. Understand the difference between character encoding and character set. The character set is the set of characters that an encoding can represent. Encoding defines the way in which characters are converted to bits and bytes. Code examples. Here are some more detailed code examples to illustrate charset conversion in wxwidgets. Explanation of key parts. 1 includes the necessary header files for wxwidgets string handling, file input/output, and charset conversion. 2 wxdetermine text file type. This function is used for automatic file encoding detection. It can detect UTF-8, UTF-16, and ANSI formatted text files. 3 loading files, on convert to UTF-8. Reads the file content into a std string. Creates a wxmbconv object to perform the conversion. Wxdetermine text file type will identify the encoding, and then set conv to the correct codec to use. Uses the wx string constructor with the wxmbconv to convert the std string to a wx string. The converted string is then displayed in a wx text control. 4 saving files as UTF-8, on save as UTF-8. Creates a wx file output stream to write to the file. Creates a wx string output stream that automatically converts wx string objects to UTF-8 when writing to the underlying file stream. Writes the content of the wx text control to the file using the wx string output stream. Important considerations. Error handling. The code examples provide basic error handling, but you should add more robust error checking and reporting in a production application. Byte order marks, bombs. Be aware of byte order marks, bombs, in UTF-16 and UTF-32 files. They are optional, but if present, they indicate the byte order of the encoding, little-endian or big-endian. The wxdetermine text file type function handles this correctly. Character mapping losses. When converting between encodings, some characters may not have an exact representation in the target encoding. You can specify a fallback character, example to use in these cases. The default behavior depends on the specific conversion. Security. Be cautious when handling user-supplied text data, as it could contain malicious characters or escape sequences that could compromise your application's security. Validate and sanitize user input to prevent vulnerabilities. Conclusion. Charset conversion is an essential aspect of building robust and internationalized wxwidgets applications. By understanding the fundamental concepts, using the appropriate wxconv classes, and following the best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can avoid common pitfalls and ensure that your application handles text data correctly across different platforms and locales. Remember to test your code thoroughly and document your encoding assumptions to make your application easier to maintain. When in doubt, consult the wxwidgets documentation and the online community forums for assistance. Good luck.